Alright, we're back with another adventure from the Adventure Challenge book. We already started in town because like every adventure takes us to town. So we're picking...
It's the Trust Fall chapter and we're gonna do Roll the Dice.
Okay, let's scratch it off and see what it has to say.
Start with a single dice, assign a picnic, food, drink to each number on the dice. Roll the dice 3 times to decide which 3 foods, drinks to bring on the date. Now use the dice to decide where to drive for your date. Roll a 1 to 2 for right turns, 3 to 4 for left turns, and 5 to 6 for staying straight. Use the system through at least 6 intersections to find a fun random location to have your picnic. Alright, so we are going to Dollar General now. We don't have dice with us, obviously. So we're gonna go buy dice, and we're gonna roll the dice in Dollar General. Whoa, hello! Can we break that open?
Or just use that.
Oh. You know what? Okay. How much is this?
$6.
Is this it? It says license.
Oh, Poplar.
Well, $3.50.
The only dice we found was in a Minnie Mouse popper. It's gonna have to do. So we ran into a couple issues. One, we're on a low carb diet, so we were gone through and like mapped out things that we could pick. 2, I realized like, it's the 21st century and we don't need physical dice, and you can just use a app. I don't know what I was thinking, but this saves us money. So we're gonna roll for 2 foods and 1 drink. Courtney's gonna show us the 6 options for food. Just go through it real quick.
So this is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like the dice?
Yeah, go.
4. Peanut. No. 3. Was.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we're gonna roll for drinks. Let's just show you those options.
So we have, the only things we can drink is diet green tea, water, and 0 Gatorade. So you want to do 1, 2,
Yeah.
3. So tea is 1, water is 2, Gatorade is 3. Gatorade. Okay, I'm okay with that.
So we got all of our snacks from Dollar General. Now we're on to find the location. Courtney's gonna be doing the dice roll as I'm driving.
Okay, first turn. 4. Turn left. 4, turn left. We'll have to try again.
Yeah, can't turn left.
Can't turn left. So we did 6 turns. By the way, it says 3, which is left. And we're stuck in a neighborhood. So we're gonna continue rolling the dice.
Unless we're gonna like park in someone's driveway.
Yeah.
Which might be an option.
Left. We went on in so many circles. So many. At least it feels like 100. But there's a park up here, so we are going to park at the park.
Yeah. I blame it on the app, the dice app. I think it's rigged.
Yeah.
We should have bought the other one, the Minnie Mouse
Thank
one.
you.
Yeah. I'm a cheapskate sometimes. I didn't want to spend the $3.
We're at the park, and we're not eating outside because it's cold and rainy.
Yeah.
So picnic at the park, but inside the car.
Yeah, sorry it's not that eventful, but I don't want to get rain on myself.
Such like a child.
Yeah.
I don't want to get rain on myself. Snacks! Very nutritious. Oh, is that what you were laughing at?
Oh no, that's not why I was laughing. Just the
okay.
fact, like, I was laughing because of our diet. We're restricted on only eating the driest food ever. You did not look like you enjoyed that at all.
You can just hear how dry it is.
I know.
Pork rind? Yeah. 0 carb.
How do you feel about this?
My God. That's not what we bought.
Yeah.
The option's not in the book. Charlie.
No, there's a peel.
Yeah, but it's hard to get it.
So, when you try this, make sure you're not on a diet.
I think that's very important. No, the point is,
Going out of your comfort zone and trying something new.
this is a new blend of snack I'm trying. I haven't been to this park probably like 10 years. I've never just came to a park and ate snacks.
Yeah. I think that's it for this challenge. Alright, I think that's enough of this challenge. I hope you try this challenge, and it'll definitely bring you out of your comfort zone.
I hope it doesn't just take you in circles.
Alright, we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Somebody was staring at it and didn't like it. So I stared back. You stopped.